student, class 11. I hope you are well, and I am taking class set theory of mathematics. Look at the topic Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, first of all, operations of a set. What is operations of a set? That means union, symbol is U, and intersection, opposite symbol of U, and difference just like dash or minus sign, and complementary set AC. Let us set A and B are two non-zero sets. Non-zero set means which type of sets? These are some type of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, A, B, C. Empty set, no. Empty set, non-zero element. Next, and universal set is represented by U, also capital U, and this type of symbol. Universal set, just like a set which have many type of elements and symbols, just like a board. In a board, any type of letters, any type of subjects I can teach. Okay. Next, first question is set A 1, 2, 3 and set B. This is example, and universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. First operation is union. Union is just like set A 1, 2, 3 and set B 4, 5, 6. In both sets, no element is common. Then no element is common. Then these sets are so in universal space. Set A and set B. Set A has horizontal lines and set B has vertical lines. Then the representation of Venn diagram is A union B. No, you know about. Next is let A 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us set B A 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now operation number 2 is apply intersection. Intersection is just like common. 1, 2, 3, 4 set A and 4, 5, 6, 7 set B. 4 is common. When the two sets, in comparison of two sets, 4 is common, then set A left some part and set B left some part, and these two sets common part is 4. Then these two sets overlap each other as a symbol of 4 and the number of 4. Then A intersection B is this type of diagram. And next, complementary set. Complementary set, without universal set you can not solve complementary set. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And set A is just like A 1, 2, 3, 4 and just like A is 1, 2, 3. Then complementary set is compared by difference, U difference A. I can also describe yesterday, dash difference. Difference means X such that X belongs to U but not X belongs to A. This is definition of difference. Then universal set is compared by set A. Then difference is set A is blank and universal set has element. Then the universal set is shaded and set A is blank. Next is A difference B. A difference B, just like definition, U difference A. So A difference B, number of element set B is blank and set A is remaining. Next है B difference A. In these sets 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7, then the difference of two sets B difference A, some elements are common 4. Then some part of B is taking set A, then the some part of B is also blank and set A is also blank, and remaining element has set B. Then the result of B difference A is in Venn diagram is this. Thank you.